got.
Right, whoa.
Yeah.
Just to prove, right, Reg just had one pike, a large pike and that. We're bringing it in, it tangled up all his bloody rods and that. Got it in onto the landing net, and he got another fucking run. And he's got another one, so we've got 2 pike at the moment. We've got this one down in the net.
Yeah,
he's just getting
recovering.
yeah, and then in the landing net there's another one. Right, we'll just prove it. We're just going to get this one out now.
Yeah, we'll get some pictures.
Yeah. Oh, I'll undo the stopper.
Yeah, you'll be alright with that because you won't go anywhere.
Well, I'm just undoing it, so
Yeah, probably notice.
otherwise you'll be taking your rods down with it as well.
Yeah.
Right.
I need to get my.
Yeah, you want scales, don't you?
Yeah, yeah. Do you want to hold that here, Graham?
Which one?
If you just hold, you won't go nowhere because you.
No.
It'll
Right.
just float.
Pausing. Right.
Yeah, he's not as big as you think.
Isn't he?
Yeah. It's only weighing. It's 13 pounds.
13.
Yeah. It's a
Right.
fish, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
13 pounds.
13.
Yeah.
Yeah.
13.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's let's deal with it.
Right. Right. Second one.
Yeah. He's in there.
Here he is in there.
Yeah. Not too big, but.
Right. Okay, I got your rod.
Yeah. Right. Yeah, that's the old boy with the lip.
Yeah. Oh, it's lippy.
Yeah. Yeah, the one we've had. We've had
Right.
him a few times.
Pausing him while we just disgorge him. I've gone back on the video. Right, that's the second one.
Right.
Yeah.
8 something.
8.2 is it? 8.6.
So 8.6, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Right, hang on. Hold it. Hold it, mate. Just a photo. Then you can go back in. Right, hang on. It's so fucking slimy. Fucking hell. Oh, you bastard. Hang on. Oh, fuck. No one can open this fucking mouth.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, if I get my arm up anyway. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, just getting back here. I've got some of him, Reg.
Have you?
Yeah.
Definitely?
Yeah. Yeah. I've
Yeah.
video and him.
Just try one more if you
Yeah. Right. Yeah.
want. All good?
Yeah. All good.